Okay, so this exercise is going to work both your core and your glutes, but really your glutes. Pay attention to form. Try not to arch your back. We don't want any spinal extension here. So the point of this is obviously not to swivel. So you want to engage those abs to hold it nice and steady. But as you extend this leg back here, this is where you want to squeeze your glutes. Now it's very easy to mistake your hamstrings for your glutes. So make sure before you start that movement, you want to feel that tension right in your butt cheek and then extend the leg out.